Hi, welcome to my channel Learn with Sumaiya. Hope you all are doing good today. If you are watching my channel for the first time, so please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get my new video updates. Hi, today I'm going to share with you that how you can store asparagus in refrigerator for almost a week and over a week. And I'm going to share with you a very useful tip and the thing I always follow that keeps my asparagus fresh and very crunchy. Let me share with you my steps which I follow to keep my asparagus fresh and how I store them in the refrigerator. The very first thing is take a very sharp knife and take the whole bunch of the asparagus, or if you like you can take like each single stalk and then cut them, or take the whole bunch and then cut them all together. So I would suggest that cut at least 1 inch from the bottom of the stalk. I'm cutting similarly my second bunch of asparagus. Always buy 2 bunches of asparagus, and the reason is I really love eating asparagus in a different forms, in a salads as well as a sidelines, in a pan fried or the oven roasted, as well as cheesy asparagus. I eat asparagus in different forms and I love it. So once all the stalks have been trimmed, then we take a white glass container and pour almost half a cup of water. It depends. Uh, it depends upon the width of the container too, as I do have like a 2 bunches and I want to like adjust them into my container. So the thing that you need to keep in mind when you're storing your asparagus this way, that your asparagus bottom should be dipping like half an inch or 1 inch. That's it. Then once this step is completed, and you can take any plastic bag or any ziploc bag, just cover your asparagus and the container very loosely. If you want, you can skip this step too, and if you want to keep the asparagus in the container filled with glass as it is in the refrigerator, that's totally fine, and both method works perfectly. Change its water after every 2 to 3 days, and your asparagus will be good for a week and more. You just need to ensure that you are changing its water. Try this hack and you will definitely gonna love it. That how to store the asparagus for a longer time period in the refrigerator. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give a big thumbs up. I'll meet you next time with another exciting video. Take care and bye bye.